Ciao Gianca!
We had a great experience. We gift Leeds Storms with a special experience.
Leeds, come here!
Leeds, would you?
I'm still carrying on.
Would you like to tell our friends what has happened?
Okay, now I don't want to cry. My favorite show, Commissario Montalbano. The office scenes were filmed here, and I had no idea that we could go inside. So I was totally shocked that we could go inside. And I don't want to leave. I want to just live here and just stay in his office. Oh my God, it's just amazing. The best experience ever.
Tell what Inspector Montalbano is for those who don't know.
Okay, so it's a famous Italian television program, and you can catch it on RAI, R-A-I TV, and it's a mystery, but there's also some comedy in it, and the actors are fantastic, and the stories are really amazing. So if you get a chance, check it out. There's also books. And if you could ever come here and you're a fan, oh my God, you won't believe it. It's awesome. Awesome. Best day ever. Grazie.
And now we are discovering Scicli, another beautiful UNESCO site. Our Sicily lovers are waiting at the meeting point because others decide to enjoy a coffee in the main square. We are approaching right the main square, this beautiful main square.
And let me say, the main square hosts the city hall, the former city hall, because after the great success of the Inspector Montalbano TV series, the town hall became the official filming location. So the mayor had to move away. And so if you come to Scicli, you can see this beautiful building. That's not the city hall anymore. It's the official filming location of this beautiful TV series, made by Andrea Sironi. Sironi was the director. Andrea Camilleri was the Sicilian writer who wrote all the novels. So he invented the character of Montalbano, the Inspector Montalbano. And Luca Zingaretti was the Roman actor who took the part of Montalbano, of the inspector. So if you see the TV series, you can see some cars, some policeman cars arriving there, and this is the entrance of the police station in the fantasy, in the series. Actually, it's a former town hall. And now we are strolling through city. I didn't say that city is a UNESCO site, so it belongs to the World Heritage List by the UNESCO. And it's a very nice, beautiful town. And what's the feature of Scicli? The Baroque architecture. So we have beautiful balconies, beautiful squares, beautiful churches, like that. Look at that church, Rosella. So we had the opportunity to have a lunch in Scicli, and now we are strolling through this beautiful square. Miguelino, Mix, how do you think? What do you think about Scicli? Is it nice?
Beautiful. Yeah.
John, what do you think?
I think it's exciting. It's just a beautiful city and quaint. Looks like there's a wedding going on in the church right over here.
There's a wedding.
Oh, a wedding.
There is a wedding right now.
Let me check.
Commissario Montalbano, and now I do.
Oh, look at the beautiful roof inside, or ceiling. This is ceiling, not roof.
See, roof.
And beautiful flowers. And over there you can see our beautiful family of Sicily lovers. This morning we enjoyed a wonderful chocolate tasting in Modica, another beautiful UNESCO site. As Gianca told you, we have the lunch here in this other beautiful UNESCO site. And now we are reaching again the bus because we are going to a farm to learn how to make cheese, because the area of Ragusa is very famous for the cheese. And so we are going there to have an authentic experience with local producers. And of course, not only we will learn how to make the cheese, but also we will test the cheese. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. I'm so happy because we are enjoying this wonderful tour of Sicily with our beautiful friends that come from all over the states, and the most of them have a Sicilian origin. So I know that Sicily is the homeland of many of our followers. So we hope one day to meet you and enjoy the homeland of your ancestors with you. In the meantime, if you want to have an idea of the next edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and you can decide to join our Sicily Lovers Tour, or you can ask us to plan custom private tours of Sicily according to your needs and desires. So you have many opportunities to enjoy our beloved island. And let's see Scicli. Beautiful balconies, beautiful palaces, because Scicli belongs to the Baroque style. So here you can see beautiful palazzi and beautiful balconies, such as this one with beautiful ornaments and monsters. They were used to keep the devil away. And today is a beautiful sunny day. It's hot, but it's a little bit windy, so it's not too hot. And we had a great lunch based on fresh fish. So if you are a sea lover or a fish lover, no, Sicily is of course a top destination for you. And what else, guys? I hope to meet you soon in Sicily. In the meantime, keep following us and love Sicily just like Gianca and I do. Today, our guide is Eleonora. You had the pleasure to meet Eleonora yesterday during a performance. She is also a great singer, so not only a guide with a great knowledge of Sicily, but also a wonderful singer. And you can see Scicli is very quiet because it's siesta time here in Sicily, and this is the river where the river used to flow in the past. A beautiful landscape over there. Beautiful valley that surround Scicli and the other beautiful towns. Shade, we found shade and we are happy to walk in the shade. Guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will depart from Ragusa Ibla. We spent 2 days there as our home base, and we will visit Catania in the morning, and then after lunch we will visit Mount Etna, the tallest, the highest active volcano in Europe, and then we will have a dinner in a winery on the slopes of Mount Etna to enjoy the great Sicilian wine. And we will end the day in Taormina, because the best, you used to say, o meglio a fine. It means the best at the end of the tours. So, for today is all, and see you tomorrow. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Say hello, Michelino.
Ciao, belli. Ciao a tutti, huh?
Are you enjoying this tour?
Very much so, yeah. I mean, one day is better than the next. It just gets better. Look at these beautiful cheeks right here, huh?
Thank you, Michelino. Ciao, ciao.